Scrappers and Recyclers. Moose here again. So in this video we're going to be taking apart a dryer. Dryers are very easy, very quick to take apart. There's a few things you're going to be looking for. The power cable on these are going to be really thick. Lots of copper in there, and 3 big chunks, sometimes 4 big chunks of brass in the end. We've got the instrument panel up here, which is going to be aluminum. You're going to have possibly some silver contacts inside behind there. There's going to be a motor. That's what turns the drum around. And sometimes if you're careful, if you look in there, you can find little pieces of jewelry that have gotten lost. I found bracelets, necklaces, earrings, that kind of thing. So let's take a look. So we take off this back panel here, this light iron. And you want to make sure that you remove the power cable. Now these can be resold, if they're in good condition. This one's kind of bent. But you've got 3 chunks of brass there, 3 there, and you can see the thickness of that copper is about half the size of a pencil going all the way through, so it's going to be significant. Alright, quick little note with these panels. A lot of times you can take a magnet to it, and the magnet will stick, and people will think that, well, that must be ferrous. Well, it's not. There's actually a steel plate right behind it that the knobs are attached to. This is all aluminum, so you just have to remove the knobs and then pull the plate off. There's just some adhesive holding it there. So you have all of these wire ends here. These are brass, so if you want to save those up, that's fine. And inside each of these little switch boxes, you're going to find some silver contacts. You're also going to find this copper bearing motor here. This is, I think, the timer, where it cycles through the different settings. So make sure you remove that. Finally, we get down to where that motor is. You can see it right in there, the motor, and the coin count keeps going up. Alright, and here it is. There's that motor. So, this is, again, I scratched, and it's aluminum windings, so not worth as much as a copper motor. I seem to be finding there's a lot in appliances now. So, if you want to crack it open for the cast aluminum, I'm going to put a video together for that. Basically, brute force is the best and fastest course. So there you go. Alright, so now for the way out. We've got our aluminum instrument panel there, and that aluminum dial back in. So we've got 13 ounces, so almost a pound, for insulated wire. Got about a pound. Alright, and we've got 7 pound, 15 ounce, so about 8 pound electric motor. We're going to have a few more little bits and pieces of brass here and there on these things, a little copper bearing motor, which will probably be an ounce or two. A few silver contacts here and there throughout. And finally we got 98 cents and change. Alright, so that's it for scrapping a dryer. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, I'm sure you can put them right down here. Make sure you like, subscribe and like, wherever they are. And see you on the next one.